How millionaires invest their money. Ever wonder how millionaires keep getting richer while most people struggle financially? It's not luck, it's a strategy. Today we break down exactly how millionaires invest their money and how you can apply their secrets to grow your wealth too. Stay until the end because we'll reveal the one investment strategy that almost all self-made millionaires use. The 5 places millionaires put their money: stock market index funds, till 30-40%, real estate, till 25-35%, businesses, startups, till 20-30%, alternative assets, crypto, gold, collectibles, till 5-10%, cash bonds, till 5-10%. Millionaires don't just rely on one type of investment. They diversify across multiple asset classes to maximize growth while minimizing risk. The stock market, the money machine. Most millionaires have a large portion of their wealth in the stock market, but they don't try to get rich overnight. Instead, they focus on 2 key strategies: long-term growth and diversification. How millionaires invest in stocks, index funds, ETFs, low-cost, broad exposure to the market, for example, S&P 500, NASDAQ, blue-chip stocks, companies with a strong track record like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. Dividend stocks, companies that pay consistent dividends, creating passive income, for example, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson. Warren Buffett famously invested in Coca-Cola and Apple, holding them for decades and earning billions in returns.
And I would do far better percentage-wise if I were working with small sums. There are just way more opportunities. If you're working with a small sum, you have thousands and thousands of potential opportunities. And when we work with large sums, we have relatively few possibilities in the investment world that can make a real difference in our net worth. So you have a huge advantage over me if you're working with very little money. But there are compensations to that on the other side of the equation.
Why it works. Passive growth. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned till 8-10% annually. Compounding power. Reinvesting dividends accelerates wealth. Real estate. The millionaire's secret weapon. Did you know that 90% of millionaires own real estate? It's one of the safest and most profitable long-term investments. How millionaires invest in real estate. Rental properties. Buying houses, apartments, or commercial buildings and renting them out for passive income. House flipping. Buying properties, renovating them, and selling at a profit. REITs. Real estate investment trusts. So, a stock market way to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. Grant Cardone built a $2 billion real estate empire by buying apartment buildings and renting them out. That's why he says, cash flow is king. Why it works. Cash flow. Monthly rental income covers expenses and generates profit. Appreciation. Property values historically increase over time. Tax benefits. Real estate investors pay less in taxes due to deductions. Investing in businesses. Startups. Millionaires don't just invest in stocks, they also invest in businesses. Owning a company is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. Ways millionaires invest in businesses. Starting their own business. Many millionaires are entrepreneurs. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg. Angel investing, venture capital. Investing in startups before they explode, like Uber, Airbnb, and Tesla. Buying small businesses. Owning laundromats, gas stations, car washes, or franchise businesses for passive cash flow. Jeff Bezos invested $250,000 in Google in 1998. Today, that investment would be worth over $20 billion.
If the stock is up 10% this month, don't feel 10% smarter, because when the stock is down 10% some month, you're going to have to feel 10% dumber, and it's not going to feel as good. And so it's, ownership is, we give most of our compensation is done in terms of stock compensation, and part and parcel with ownership is a mentality of long-term thinking. Owners think longer term than renters do.
Why it works. Owning a business creates unlimited income potential. Startups can multiply wealth exponentially if they succeed. Alternative investments. Crypto, gold collectibles. Millionaires also invest in alternative assets to hedge against inflation and economic crashes. Popular alternative investments. Crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum. High risk, high reward digital assets. Gold, silver, a safe haven investment that protects against inflation. Collectibles. Luxury watches, art, cars. Physical assets that appreciate in value over time. In 2010, one Bitcoin was worth 8 cents. Today it's worth thousands. Why it works. Diversifies investment portfolios. Some assets, gold, crypto, perform well in economic downturns. The millionaire mindset. How they think about money. Millionaire money rules. 1. Pay yourself first. Automatically invest a portion of your income. 2. Think long-term. Don't chase quick riches. Focus on compounding wealth. 3. Use leverage. They use other people's money, loans, mortgages, business funding, to scale wealth faster. Billionaire Mark Cuban says, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Why it works. Mindset separates the rich from the poor. Wealthy people focus on assets, not liabilities. 1. Investment strategy. They all use final secret. Millionaires don't just work for money, they make money work for them. They buy assets that grow in value and generate passive income. They reinvest their profits to create even more wealth. Now that you know how millionaires invest, which strategy will you start using? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making secrets.